Visumatic's Viper Robot Assembly Cell is a fixed robotic system designed to maximize space and productivity with multiple working platform configurations and user safety and comfort. This machine can be set up for a new user and a new parts configuration in under a minute. Fastener loading is easy with the slide-out feeder. And this machine has a one-button adjustment for a total of 11 inches of travel. This machine takes up only 30 inches of floor space and utilizes biometric security or password protection for programming access. Visumatic's Versa control platform allows for jig changeover to assemble a variety of parts and production types. This machine was designed for very specific product manufacturing, such as printed circuit boards and medical devices. This machine is designed with a 4-axis scare robot that allows for a wide variety of tooling, with parts loading through the light curtain from either side or straight on. This machine integrates Visumatic's Model 94 screw feed system and is highly portable on the factory floor. Visumatic is a custom engineering firm specialized in automated fastening technologies located in Lexington, Kentucky.